Hey there fellows, what's up and welcome to this new video. So in today's video we're going to be seeing how you can actually log into your Cash App account without having to use the mobile app. So if you haven't subscribed yet, just tap on that subscribe button and hit the notification bell that full to never miss any training content from us. So without any further ado, we start right after the intro. So basically, we all know Cash App is a payment service that offers banking services through a mobile app, but this doesn't just mean you must need that mobile app to actually access Cash App services. So talking of that, Cash App has its own website which you can actually see as on the screen that lets you access a couple of its services through its web platform. So with this, you don't need the mobile app to access a couple of these banking services. So to access your Cash App account through the website, what you're going to do is to open a new tab on your web browser, or you can install any web browser on your PC. It can be Chrome, Firefox, or even Microsoft Edge. It just depends on your choice and your personal preference. So what you're going to do is open a new tab and type in cash.app, which you can see. So when this website opens, you're just going to go on this top right corner where you see login. So what you do is just click on the login, and here you have the option to log in either with your mobile number or your email address. So this depends on the login you prefer using to access your Cash App account. When using the Cash App mobile app, you access through the mobile app or the email. That just depends on you. So if you use the mobile number, you can just enter your mobile number and log into Cash App right away. So if you prefer using your email instead, you just click on use email and you type in your email address. So once you type in your email address, you will be asked to authenticate that it is actually you. Yes, Cash App does this for security purposes, and I think it's really cool, as they are looking to keep you away from those bad guys that are looking for the slight opportunity to get unauthorized access to your Cash App account. So just verify it is you and everything is going to be good. And once you verify, you're going to be taken to your Cash App account dashboard where you can actually review your Cash App balance, your activity, your personal info, and a couple of lot more. So guys, this is how you can actually access Cash App without having to use the mobile app. So if this video was helpful for you, just click on the subscribe button below if you haven't subscribed yet, and we'll be ready to see you in the next video.